In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Hootsuite. If you are new to Hootsuite, this walkthrough will help you create a post, add your content, and publish it now or schedule it for later. As you listen, you can follow along on screen and pause when you need extra time. First, click the plus sign, and then select Create a Post in the top left corner. This is where Hootsuite begins the posting workflow for you. On your screen, look for the button that looks like a plus, usually next to your main menu area. Clicking Create a Post is important because it opens the composer, where you can choose accounts, write your message, and attach media. Next, you will select your target social accounts from the drop-down menu. This step matters because it controls where your post will appear. After you open the composer, you should see a section that lets you pick one or more networks. Click the drop-down and choose the account or accounts you want to use. Take a moment to double-check that you selected the right profiles, especially if you manage more than one brand or page. Now that your accounts are chosen, it is time to type your message. Look for the content area or the text box in the composer. Type the message you want your audience to see, and keep in mind that different platforms may display text slightly differently. If you have a main message, include it first. If you also want to add supporting details, add them after the core text. This is the section where your post becomes complete, so take a moment to proofread it for clarity and tone before you move on. After you type your message, you can add images or video in the content area. This is a great way to increase attention and make your post stand out. To add media, use the attachment option in the same area where you type your message. Then follow the prompts to upload your image or video. If you are uploading multiple items, make sure they are relevant to the message you wrote. Also, watch for any preview to confirm that the media displays correctly. Once your post text and media are ready, you will decide whether to publish immediately or schedule it. Click Schedule for later if you want to plan ahead, or click Post Now if you want the post to go live right away. This is a key decision because it determines how quickly your audience will see the content. If you want control over timing, scheduling is the best choice. If you are sharing something urgent or time-sensitive, posting now may be the better option. If you choose to schedule for later, you will then choose your calendar date and time. Look for the date and time controls in the scheduling section. Select the correct date, and then set the time you want the post to publish. Pay attention to the time zone shown in the interface, so the timing matches your intended audience. After you confirm the date and time, click Schedule. Hootsuite will then hold your post and publish it automatically at the moment you selected. To finish, take a quick moment to review what you have set. Make sure the correct social accounts are selected, your message is accurate, and your media is attached. If you scheduled the post, confirm the scheduled date and time. This final check helps prevent mistakes and ensures your content goes out exactly as planned. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to create a post in Hootsuite. Choose where it goes, add your message and media, and publish now or schedule it for later.